In this demo, we will showcase the change logs and change log report in NSM. Launch SonicWall Platform by visiting platform.sonicwall.com. Log in using my SonicWall credentials and pass the two-factor authentication by clicking Next. We're now logged into SonicWall Platform, SonicWall's unified management console. Click on the Firewalls menu on the left navigation pane for the NSM user interface. Click on Monitor tab. Under Logs on the left navigation, you can click to load the change log screen. Change log and change log report are new enhancements that provide visibility into details of changes done from Firewall's local user interface or changes done via NSM. Let us select the supported settings. This will show all the firewall configurations that are supported and will be captured in change logs. Let us close and proceed further to get more details. When an admin makes changes directly on the firewall, NSM records the details of those local changes for supported configurations. NSM captures and displays the details of the local changes made on the firewall, including the user who performed them. The user source IP from where the changes were done. Other details like the user source location, the destination IP of the firewall, the destination location of the firewall are available here. We shall now take a look at the change type details. This informs the NSM admin of the firewall settings that were modified and where these settings are present in the firewall configuration, like navigation and screen path details. This will also show the details time period. Time period informs the NSM admin of the total number of changes made every hour. Now moving to change source. The change source gives details of number of changes that were done locally or through NSM. What we just viewed is the list format. There's also an option to view the details in a log format. Log view shows the details of all changes made locally and via NSM, which includes the successful and failed change logs. Let us look at the grouping options available. There are multiple options available to group the logs for better organization and analysis. For example, you can group the events based on the name of the user. Here we get to know who made the changes and the firewall on which the changes were done and more details of the changes. Let us navigate to Home screen. Go to the Reports on left navigation. Here is the Report section of NSM. Click on Rules to create a change report. We will add a new rule here. Select the report type as Change Report and click Next. Here we populate a name for Change Report. You can choose a report that includes both changes made locally and from NSM or one of the choices. Here we have selected All for reports. You can either select a report for tenant, group, or individual firewall. We will use the tenant option for this rule. Here you can choose to create a schedule for generating a report or generate the report on demand. You can also choose to archive the report in NSM or send it via email. We now proceed further to save the report rule. Save to see the list of report rules. Here is the list all report rules, including the new one we created now. Let us now generate the change report. We will use the Generate Report now. Click on OK. The report is getting generated now. It's now successfully generated a change report. We will go ahead on the actions to download the report. I will click on Download Last Generated Report. You can also generate the report for time range. This change report is generated in CSV format, which allows the user to filter the data easily.